Hi, it's Gayle from Bernina of Naperville, and I'm right here by our new 790 Pro, and I am just loving it. But I'm loving it even more right now because I have something that I've been wanting for years with a Bernina machine, and that's the ability to know when my machine is running out of thread, when it might have a little oopsie whoopsie, while I'm multitasking, while I'm cooking dinner. Stop laughing. I do boil water every once in a while, okay? But when I'm doing other things, so that, I know if catastrophe awaits for me in my sewing room or not. Or if I just don't want it to sit there waiting for the thread to be changed and I'm up in like la la land, thinking everything has been stitching out and it's not time to change a thread. So with the new Bernina 790 Pro, there is the Bernina Stitch App, and you can access that right through the App Store. You just search Bernina Stitch and you'll find that icon, and then you're going to download it onto your phone and you're going to connect your device. Now, Bernina International has a video on how you are going to do this, but I just wanted to kind of show you how this app works with the machine when you're stitching out a design. And we're going to make this super cute, no drama llama design. That's one of the built-in designs that you get with the 790 Pro. Also, I'm using a pillow form with the zipper already inserted from our friends at OESD. And these pillow forms are available in a variety of colors, and you can find them right here at BERNINAofNaperville.com. So let's get this baby started. So on the app, you have, once you name the machine that you're going to be connecting it to and all of those good things like you saw in the Bernina video, you can watch the timeline in the first screen, which kind of just designates the inner ring is the color that you're on, and the outer ring with the different colors are all of the thread colors in the design. Or you can select the middle choice, which is each thread color and the details of what the color is down a list, or you can watch the design stitch out in real time, just like my little llama. Now, eventually a color is gonna stop and you are gonna need to change the thread. Now, I use the app not when I'm necessarily standing by my machine, but when I'm upstairs prepping dinner or I'm doing some other kinds of things like cleaning the house or whatever, and I can keep my phone handy, and as I look at the app and something does happen with my machine, it's going to stop, and when my app is open and I'm away from the machine, but still on my Wi-Fi network and everything, I can actually see that indeed it is time to change the thread. Also, if the thread were to break or the machine would be stopped or whatever, I would get that alert too within my app. So as you go through changing your threads, doing your embroidery like you would on any of your other Bernina embroidery systems, every time it's time to change the thread, the app is going to be like, okay, this color, change this, kind of like your machine does that, right? So you just follow that process. But finally, there's going to come a time where you stitch your last color, and then the app will congratulate you that the design is finished. All right, well, there is no drama at all with my 790 Pro because thanks to this app, I kind of have that baby monitor I've always wanted because, back in the day, we literally put baby monitors next to our machine to know if they're still stitching and when they needed attention. All right, well, that's all for now, and I hope to catch you later. And don't forget to check out our Bernina of Naperville YouTube channel in the future for other tips, tricks, videos, and fun stuff. It's easy to find. It's youtube.com/Bernina of Naperville, and there you can like, comment, and subscribe. Happy embroidery!